how to do Facebook marketing effectively in 2020. Guys, Facebook is a growing platform and most active. There are a lot of persons actually spending their time on the platform Facebook. If you spend your ad budget in the Facebook, you will get better results. So to do the marketing effectively on Facebook, you have to create one Facebook page. Guys, I am observing lot of persons are doing their business promotions through their profiles. See guys, profile is just for connecting with the friends. So you have to connect with the guys and you have to interact those things, that's all. So but when coming to the your business promotion, you have to create your page. You have to promote your business via page. Okay, so still if you are promoting your business through profile, so consider to from today onwards, so create one page and promote your business via page. If you create a page and if you promote your business via page, there are a lot of advantages. Okay, you can run only ads through page, not the profile. So I already told this thing in previous videos. So next, first of all, you have to set up one page and you have to grow your page audience and you have to recommend your products to the Facebook page audience. You have to create one Facebook group for your audience, and once you set up your Facebook group, you have to increase the audience size of the group and then you can start the conversations with your audience. Here you can create your own group or you can join other Facebook groups to engage with others. So the next effective method is the networking. So networking will help you to scale up your YouTube channel or blog, your online business to the next level. So I already told you in previous video, if you network with 50 people, if each person has 100 followers, then ultimately you have a audience of 5,000 people. Okay, so here each person may have 1,000 people. In that case, you have a 50,000 people audience. So that's the power of networking. You have to connect with other members in your niche and you have to share your thoughts and you have to exchange your values in the networking. So the next method is the Facebook ads. So Facebook ads, where you have to set up to scale up your business through the Facebook. Here you can run the ads like brand awareness or a lead generation. So in Facebook, lead generation ads are very important and most persons use the Facebook ads, lead generation ads. So for generating the leads, first you have to create one lead magnet and you have to provide the lead magnet in exchange of email ID from the user. These are the some effective marketing strategies to do the Facebook marketing very effectively in 2020. Hey, I hope this video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share this video with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.